beauties, it's Carol. Today I have an interesting haul. It's E.L.F. products, and out of all these products that I bought a whole shopping list, and there are some holy grails in there. It's quite amazing, and I can't wait to show you. So let's begin. The first product that you are going to love is the E.L.F. Shape and Stay Wax Pencil. Now, I know a lot of us have gray in our eyebrows, and a lot of us tweeze the gray out just to get rid of them because they're so unruly. Don't do that. You're going to be left with no eyebrows. So put this on your eyebrows and all will be calm down. You can shape and mold your eyebrows any way you want, and you can get a laminated brow. It's just amazing. It's called the E.L.F. Clear Shape and Stay Wax Pencil. And this clear pencil helps shape and tame brows for a flawless look that stays put. It's got vitamin E to help nourish the skin. Draw wax onto eyebrows and brush into place. Wear alone or after applying brow color. I love it. Next is this cute eyeshadow palette. It's called Bite Size Eyeshadow, and I got the color Cream and Sugar. Look at those colors. Is that not pigmented? Woo! That is beautiful. Beautiful, right? They're dense, they're pigmented, they're smooth. Okay, Smudge Pot. Back to basics. This smooth, gliding gel formula is perfect for a long-lasting eyeshadow or eyeliner. Dip a brush into the pot, apply along the lash line for rich eyeliner color. Use a brush or your finger and apply to the eyelid, and buff out for vibrant eyeshadow color. It's got staying power, it's smooth, it's creamy, it's easy to put on. No Budge Shadow Stick in Metallic Mocha. I got it because it was like a burgundy color. No Budge Shadow Stick. And this is how big it is. Wow, that's pretty good. Let's see how smooth it is. Wow, that is smooth as silk. Smooth as silk. Look at that. That is beautiful. Okay, No Budge Retractable Liner in Coffee. And that's in coffee. No Budge Retractable Liner in coffee. No Budge Retractable Liner in black. Wow, that is black. Look at that. We'll give it the smudge test. That's what I'm anxious to see. Now the delivery is nice and smooth. And it snaps. It snaps when you close it, which I love. I want to hear that it's closed. Next we have the matte lip color in Natural. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Okay, look at that. That is like a blue pink. The color is natural. It's a nudie pink. I like that. I bought all these myself. They were not given to me. I just went on a little shopping spree. Let's see. No Budge Shadow Stick in bronze metal. I can't wait to give it the smudge test. Here we have a dual-sided silicone blender for liquids or creams. Now, okay, this is like a jelly puff, and the other side, it's a little weird. It's not like a sponge, it's like velvet. So, let's see what it says. Get perfect product application with this easy to clean silicone blender, all while using less product. The smooth silicone side applies product for a flawless look with minimum product waste and better hygiene. The flocked, that's what it is, it's flocked. The flocked side perfectly blends makeup for an airbrushed look. Great for applying primers and liquid foundation. Apply half of your usual amount of liquid product directly to the silicone blender. Gently swipe product across the face, then bounce the silicone blender to even application. Use the flock side to buff to perfection. To clean, simply wash with a mild soap and water. So you just put half of your foundation on there, put it all over and blend it, and then keep applying your makeup with the flocked side. Okay. Okay, E.L.F. That is really good and very inexpensive. Okay, this one I did try. It's the Hydrating Camo Concealer, and the color I got was way too dark for me as far as a concealer. I did get medium beige, and so what I noticed, and I don't know if it was just because of the color, but what I noticed is that it showed wrinkles that I never even saw before. And at this moment, I'm not a fan. I don't know. This one didn't do it for me. Here is the Putty Eye Primer. Crease and smudge proof for 12 hours. It looks like frosted glass, but it's plastic. I don't mind it. And there you have it. Now one swipe still gives you a lot. I didn't have to go over so many times. This reminds me of the NYX Shadow Base. We have No Budge Retractable Liner in white. And let's see how white it is. I just thought I would get a white pencil in case I wanted to put something over here. Okay. There you go. Smooth and white. Very good. Snaps in. Well, they sent me a Happy Hydration Face Cream. Now, if you're over 50, I would stay away from their facial skincare. I've tried many products, but to me, they just didn't do it. They weren't heavy enough, strong enough, moist enough, dewy enough. The skincare, I believe, is for the younger kids, for the under 50, under 40. This is the Lock On Liner and Brow Cream. This is in light brown, and I have it on today, and I'm going to put it on my arm, and we're going to do a smudge test. This is light brown. You do not need anything darker than this. I don't care what color your hair is. This light brown can go from this to that. You see the two? See the two shades? So far, I've worn this a couple of days, and it's stayed on my eyebrows all day. Okay, we're going to give this a smudge test in 1 minute after I show you this Jelly Pop. And this is in Creamsicle Pop. It's a jelly gloss for your eyes and your cheeks. It's amazing. Okay, comes in this little red container. They're all plastic. They're really nicely designed. Now look at this. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, so now can you see the shimmer? Wow, well, I'm going to put it on my arm and then on my cheeks for you. So I'll put it right here. I'm going to cover it up with my Essence Brighten Up Peach Powder. Just a little. And I want to show you that you can powder over this if you don't want the dewy look anymore. If you're out and you feel like it's too much, you can powder over it. And this powder is really cute. Okay. E.L.F. Jelly Pop. Here we go. I'm just taking a dot. You see? Look at that. You see it? Woo! A dot. That is maybe too much. I don't know. Let's see. Now, feel free to put this over your crow's feet because it doesn't show texture. And feel free to put it in the front because there's no wrinkles usually right here. Usually the wrinkles are all like here. And this gives it a blast of dewiness and a blast of moisture that just stays on your skin. It doesn't go away. And look at that color. I love this. I'm going to get the other one too. I mean, they were no more than $5. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Now the other day I wore it on my lids. It's great. I could put some on now, just a little. Oh, I just love a product like this. This is just so cool. Now we're going to give my arm the smudge test. Oh, look at that. That pink is really pretty. The black is really black. The brown is really brown. Every color just stands out to me. Except that is too dark. Okay. Oh, look at that. Ooh, baby, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I just want to see if the eyeliners will stay. Wow. Okay. That's good. That's good. See? These three are good. Now the black and the brown. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's the retractable eyes, and then this is the eyebrow. You see? Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo. This is really good stuff. I'm telling you, E.L.F. did it. E.L.F. did it. This is the shadow. This is the gloss. This is the concealer. I forget what that is again. Oh, this is the eyeshadow. Okay, that wipes off just a little, but it's still there. But these are the main important things that you don't want smudging on your face. Look at that. All the pencils and all the, all the pencils and the brow. Wow. I'm excited. This is good. I love to find for you and for me great products at an affordable price. Why not? Nobody knows what, if you have a Chanel pencil on your eye or you have an E.L.F. pencil on your eye. It doesn't matter. And I realized this many, many years ago. It doesn't matter. It matters how you apply it. And you can look young and beautiful and have no smears on your face with inexpensive products if you just know what products to pick. These are good. Now we'll see if the makeup comes off with Cottonelle Flushable. And these are tested by plumbers. Just saying. Okay. Oh yeah, look. Okay. Good. I like that. It's a little difficult. Wow. It's not coming off easy. Pencils not budging. Not budging. I have to really rub. So I will be using my DHC cleansing oil. There. One little drop. And you want to see something? You see this amount? I could do my face 2 more times with this. 2 more times. I know, because I experimented with a bottle that was empty just like that. And I want to record it. Look at that. See that DHC? I love it. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited to see products work. DHC works. E.L.F. works. Cottonelle Flushable works. Everything's working. Now you just wipe it off. Look at that. So I hope you really enjoyed this. I enjoyed doing this for you and showing you all the greatest products for really, really good price. And I will put links for everything that I showed and everything I talked about. And thank you for hitting that red banner below the video. Hope you enjoyed yourself, and I hope to see you next week when I put up another video. I hope I don't have lipstick on my teeth.